Increased filtration plus maximum outside air ventilation provides the best approach to limiting COVID-19 virus transmission in our schools. MPS's ventilation system starts 2 hours before staff and students are in our buildings and keeps going for 2 hours after the building has closed. This provides fresh air for our staff and students. While opening windows for increased air circulation is one recommendation, we discourage opening windows in classrooms. Opening windows may cause the building's ventilation system to become unbalanced and actually reduce ventilation to other areas of the building. We've also purchased and installed portable HEPA filtration units in classrooms and other locations where there are more students and staff in a space for extended amounts of time. That's why you won't see these units in smaller spaces such as offices. Health and safety protocols of reduced capacity, social distancing, and wearing face coverings, with support of the building's ventilation system, will keep these smaller spaces safe. MPS is following guidance on COVID-19 filtration and ventilation from the American Society of Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning Engineers and from the Minnesota Department of Health. While MPS has improved the ventilation and filtration of our buildings, staff and students will still need to wear a face covering, practice social distancing and hand washing as standard health and safety protocols while in schools and classrooms. Check out the Phase 5 website for more information or reach out to your school.